को कि वो आकर अपने तीनों एड्रेस प्रदान करें ऑनरेबल डिप्टी प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी। His Excellency the Indian High Commissioner to Fiji, Shri Sunit Mehta ji, आदरणीय स्वामी जी, भाई योगेश करण और सेवा आश्रम संघ के सभी पदाधिकारी, भाई अखिलेश, स्वामी जी ने बहुत ही सुंदर ढंग से गणेश महाउत्सव और गणेश विसर्जन का जो विशेष कारण है, जो विशेष महत्व है, उसको उन्होंने हमें बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से समझाया है। Friends, ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege and honor to be here this afternoon and to be part of this very auspicious and important festival in the annals of the Hindu calendar. गणेश भगवान की जो विशेषता है, the significance of this to Hindus around the world is well documented, well accepted and well understood. Ganesh ji is a source of wisdom. It is a source of prosperity and removal of all obstacles in our lives. But beyond that, done with devotion, unity and understanding, it brings our people together. And the history of community and bringing together people of all caste, creed, color took its roots in Maharashtra, and the famous Lokmanya Tilak made this a very, very popular event, not only in Maharashtra, in Bombay, but throughout India and wherever Hindus are around the world. As Swamiji said very clearly, this is also an opportunity for us to come together to reflect on our history, on our journey, on our culture, on our tradition, and our unity in this country. I want to take this opportunity on behalf of the government to congratulate Seva Ashram Sangh and in particular Swamiji and everyone, I see Bachu Bhai here as well, associated with the activities of Seva Ashram in Fiji. You are providing this service not only to those who are Hindus, but you are providing this opportunity for education, for knowledge, for wisdom that brings not only our families together, our communities together, but as Swamiji said, it brings our country together. Our government is committed to bringing that freedom, that understanding amongst our people, and we condemn any attempts or any idea that the government is not aware of the need for unity, inclusiveness, and understanding of our diverse cultures, language, religion, and tradition. And today, the fact that we are all gathered here to celebrate this very, very important, auspicious occasion shows our history, our ability as a country, as a people, to come together to celebrate, to practice our religion, understand our traditions, and unite this country in every particular way. As the High Commissioner said, and I'm not going to repeat what he said, our Prime Minister has had a very successful visit to India, and you would have known that a number of initiatives that we have put in place since we've come into government in the last 2.5 years. And we want to further strengthen that link between India and Fiji, between our people, and between our culture, the practice of our culture, our tradition, our language. Today I want to, on behalf of the Prime Minister, on behalf of the government, and everyone in the country, to wish you all a very joyful, a very progressive, and a very rewarding गणेश महोत्सव। आप सभी को मैं विशेष बधाई दे रहा हूँ, धन्यवाद दे रहा हूँ, और विशेष करके स्वामी जी और सेवा आश्रम के सभी सदस्यगण, जिस तरह से आप सभी इस महाउत्सव को हम सभी तक पहुंचाया है, ये बहुत ही सराहनीय है और विशेष है। मैं अपने तरफ से आप सभी को अपना विशेष शुभ संदेश भेज रहा हूँ, और गणेश जी की कृपा देवियों, सज्जनों, भाइयों, बहनों, बच्चों, आप सभी पर हो। आप सभी के बुद्धि में बढ़ती हो, आपकी जीवन है उसमें सदैव प्रगति रहे, और किसी भी तरह का विघ्न बाधा अगर आपके जीवन में है तो वो भी दूर हो। यही मेरी शुभकामनाएं हैं, यही मेरी संदेश है, और आप सभी को